Looking for a way to make your backyard feel private, serene, and natural? Instead of putting up a plain fence, you can create a living fence with privacy bushes. These shrubs don't just block unwanted views. They also clean the air, reduce noise, and provide a safe haven for birds and pollinators. It's privacy with beauty and life built in. So, which ones are best? It depends on your yard and lifestyle. If you want fast-growing and dependable, green giant arborvitae grows 2 to 4 feet a year and creates a lush green wall in just a few seasons. For shade-tolerant and low-maintenance, skip laurel is a fantastic option. And if you'd like year-round greenery with pops of color, hollies and beautyberries bring not only coverage, but flowers and berries too. The best part? Many of these choices are low maintenance. A little trimming once a year is often all it takes to keep them neat and full. Over time, they only grow stronger and more beautiful, something no wood or metal fence can do. Turn your backyard into a private, peaceful retreat with the right privacy bush, so make your fence as alive as the rest of your garden. Explore more solutions on growcycle.com.